With pdfToolbox, you can create multiple profiles, checks, fixups or process plans. But with all of these items, it is sometimes hard to stay organized and keep track of everything. And that's where libraries come in. Libraries are repositories of all the items you can create in pdfToolbox, like profiles, checks and fixups, but also support files or resources like HTML templates, ICC profiles, or for example, imposition configurations that are used by a fixup or a profile. And using libraries, it is a good way to store all of these items for a specific job, workflow or customer, or to separate your production and your developing environment. So let me show you where you can find the libraries in pdfToolbox desktop. To have access to the libraries, first you have to open the profile window. And to do that, you have to click on Tools, Profiles, or you can use here the Profiles icon on the bottom left. As you can see here now in my profile window at the top, I have the name of my current library, that is Prepress, Color and Transparency. And in there I have a predefined list of profiles, checks and fixup that are part of this library. If I click on the name of the library, you can see that pdfToolbox will list all the available libraries that I have right now in pdfToolbox. And just to let you know, if you install pdfToolbox for the first time, you will have a default selection of libraries in there with predefined profiles, checks and fixups. So you will always have at the start libraries. And to switch between libraries, you just have to select another library, and as you can see now, pdfToolbox will show me a different set of profiles, checks and fixups that are part of this library. And of course you have also the opportunity to create your own library. For example, if you have a new project or a new customer, it is always a good way to store specific things that you need for this project or customer. But having multiple libraries come with one disadvantage, and that is searching across libraries for a specific item. For example, you can here in the search field search for a specific profile that you need. Let me just enter grayscale because I want to, for example, convert my PDF file into grayscale. And as you can see, my list is empty right now because I don't have this profile in my current library. That also means that I have to manually select every single library to search for this specific profile, and that is not really efficient. So let me show you how you can easily search across libraries in pdfToolbox. To do that, you also have to go to Tools, but then you click on Search Libraries to have a global search across all libraries. Here you can also enter your term that you want to search. And now you have here the possibility search all libraries, and if I activate it, you can see now I get a complete list of all the profiles, fixups, checks that has that term in the name. And here on the left hand or on the right hand side, you can see the libraries where this specific check or fixup is stored in. At the top you also have checkboxes to narrow down your selection. For example, if I just search for profiles, I can only select profiles, and then I have my list of all the profiles with the term grayscale. And here you can see in which library I have this profile that I'm searching for. There is another way to do it, and it's maybe easier because you don't have to open another window, and that is here in the profile window, the Search All Library button. And if I click here, you can see I get the same list. I have my two Convert to Grayscale profiles, and with this way I have one more advantage, and that is that I can use the hamburger menu here at the top and say Copy into Current Library. And as you can see now, pdfToolbox will create a copy from the selected profile and will store it in my current library. And if I deselect Search All Libraries again, you can now see that I will have the profile that I needed directly in my current library.